ne pagete mala tamata kape paglekwa soda wido no mafiboshe pagete mala mafiboshe no mafiboshe ne awete ti phane me pati dile do abatwe bakalota dile no paglekwa phe tsepo no tamata ti phane paglekwa phe no no tevera dilo no phe no tera David asks no one man we lucky David asks, is there anyone stay left at the house or saw to whom I can show kindness for Jonathan's sake? Penny the mala, no, but I don't tell the mala, what the quara penny podaga, uti verala, so solid he put her poem, no? Matataga la, put magic edo do not plato, da, put the mala, kindness sit on mina. W tapu no le Jonathan huni no Jonathan huni no pain ero David din no pasada ke pele phala lebu ni se phu pain ni David no do so da we siweda pa ulo te di le so solo pa hi phu kla di tu akama ole ta ablu apula so Jonathan hu te gania no when it did so no. Now there was a servant of Saul, household named Ziba. They called him to appear before David, and the king said to him, "Are you Ziba?" No, your servant, he replied. No, penny picture mana. No, a David a palo, no ta keep all so solo upon he poo. A cloud wetega, do a me miss saw Siba, do paco su so dawi a odos, so pasiba or neme saw Siba, sikoa, do si weda nakuna polo, no, when it and neme saw Siba sikoa, do si weda nakuna polo, no. Pero pacropatu pathala, tatir pai to sepo, lobetamu pusicolo, no. Leta no kujaro pakama dile, no pakale dile, ne pakasukuma sikolo, patapita mapusicolo, no. No pero pakale quata to sepo, tama tatir padi, no. No pay ni, tevada le manutimile, no. No pakatete mala, pero tevada, no. The king asks, is there no one, no, staying left of the house of Saul, to whom I can show God's kindness? Ziba answered the king, there is a son of Jonathan. He is crippled in both feet. No, no. I went there, la pain is Ziba, David also pain as is several sopani, away ne udi de gadile, Junatha pukwa, no, Gora, no, pain, Gora le Junatha pukwa, no, a woman poila, bugna a quarter river, a cohawa, no, kick up parallel, but then my both feet, no, penny, kick up parallel, a quarter river, no. But then you're sick or dinner, no, attack with running. Now pay up, but le qua. Doba me le pakwa le libu ni oluni, but they kapla she kapla loti de sepo, but a finya penny, no. Do penny so passi wera pola so solo pa hipo klale ama, no jakamala you have your pony to all about, do so abis, no sauce. So siba sopa so yonata apukwala akohawa ni odi de galo so nata apukwala akohawa odi de ga no tebla de no no beiro begele kwala sebo where is she tera a opale no the king asks no with sopa tikwa no Siba answered he is at the house of Makia son of no, Amir in the Lodiba. Panino, away there la away Sisewada dilo, so that we mopal no. Panino, but Tibala Tevada dilo, no so that we do so passiba or me opele, do so siba, no siba sopa. Quaqua uwele so ami la apokwa so. maki hi le loda no loda no ba apulo no phane ro teba ra loda ba apu ma no phane teba no yin so King David has him brought from Lodibar from the house of Machia son of no Amir phane no pagite ma la awe soda we le hini o no soda we haki so la le a hi mo no pagite no phane pagite ma le tapita ma te phane no soda we mo pale haki so la no so ami la apokwa so maki hi no a hi le loda ta apulo no loda ba adu la phane ta so mo no no khu ne tebra di le one no Mephibosheth, son of Jonathan, the son of Saul, came to David. He bowed down to pay his honor. David says, Mephibosheth, your servant. He replied, no, upon your servant, he replied, no. I was sure that came, no. No, pero petiba la so solo pourquoi so na ta pourquoi so ma people no sa Jesus so da we o do to lo po ata do to lo ka dwi klo do so da we si we da so ma people sa no do si so we da kwa na ku na po lo no kwa na ku na po lo no Petra, don't be afraid. No, don't be afraid. No. David said to him, no, so that we no, for I will surely show you kindness for the sake for your father Jonathan. I will restore to you to all the land that's belonging to your grandfather, no, belonging to your grandfather Saul, and you will always eat at my table. Penny no put in my not top of the book and the quarter legends so no corner no. Away in metal a head on no, but it's my letter you know. Paid up a quarter pitama doors, so that we see whether plitataki, a ready yekama na le, na tablet tapola, na passo in a tha who the pacture, do yeke hiki na le, na passo solo, hawk hook color do, namba ota le, yes or no. The tea holo no number order le yes or no the tea holo penny no data no pa pagin yam no so da we attack it ma te pane pagin yam no penny no ma pebosa no ma pabosa no bound down and said what is your servant what not that you should notate at no that dog like me no pen pagte mala no pay do awes sevada ta gi the party lo no tevada le no tevada le minute mi le no pay ni no tevada le no weda tolo go di klo sevada le na kwa no le na ka kwa lo tweet di ya atoni na ku na pa me minute mi le no awen in lot tweety no pagite ma la when a pan na ya ma no ata mu o gele pagite ma la no apa apucho la cha chu ma no pan pagite ma no then the king summoned no Ziba saw servant and said to him I have sword no sword servant and said to him I have give your master grandson everything that's belonged to Saul and his family. No, bakalang pigten mala. No, pay ni so pa ko ni so solo ake pa so siba lo siba o ye hi lo li ne ka sa pho khwa le ka ye ta le abaka so solo do a hi kelali no pa ni hi lo ba kele ka si lo no hi kelali no pa ni pigte mala kala kasila mano pane tesine tebra dile pane you and your son and your servant are to farm the land for him and bring in the crop so that your master grandson may be provided for and no Mephibosheth, grandson of your master, we always eat at my table. Now Ziba has 15 sons and 27. No, Ziba ne odo no pagkita ma apokwa pagkita ma 15 and sijaga do a plan ora no pagkita ma la 27 kisi mo no a plan ora kisi mo no pagkita odine no kane them. Now Ziba said to the king, your servant will do whatever my lord the king command his servant to do. So Mephibosheth ate at David's table like one of the king's son. No, Panina Pagita Mala, a waiting on Mephibosheth in a way do never talk with Taya Dituno, a order sopa sonoconilo, no, when it pete or dinner to Tisico, no, Bamnu Hulene, Bethinia dinner to law, no. Penny, Pekka, Mugoni Japawli, or Jatipia, Lugulman, but some get error, Le Paqualo Pacano Cloni, Lord the Sepo, Don Neda, Don the poor quarter part on the Kuna part, Bama Hokula, a word on Nabahe Suta, dear to Nakasa Puquaco, no, go Udo, Ta Ola, Oba, Ota Ago, Don Nakasa Puqua, so Mephibosheth, go Okula, Jasonoko, the Ticholo. Do sauce siba udo apukwat siyega do aku apwa kisilo panino pagtete ma panin pagtete adin no do sabusa siba sopa di kayeta le no yekasa sopa malo aku apwa to ne naku na pwa kamadine to lo do sopa si weda do so Mephibosheth no ko ota le yesonoko do di sopa pukwada no sopa pukwada gato ni lo no panitela no sopa pukwada gato ni lo no the sikini tevada dile no Mephibosheth have a young son named Micah, and all the members of Ziba's household were 7 of no Mephibosheth panina pagiter mala Pabusana ora a pukwadaga no pukwala anyasarga a coverala Mika no Mika Panero Pekele qua pesabo no do peiro so Mephibosheth no Mephibosheth sa no udo pukwa asidaga amimi so Mikalo do kaye pola uwesuwela so siba hipu kalene me so Mephibosheth aku apwa no aku palo no pani pagkita madine no dot pagkita madsutane am Mephibosheth lived in Jerusalem because he always ate at the king's table and he was crippled in the both feet no pani pagkita mala Mephibosheth awe do never takweta yani pagkita ma so Mephibosheth uwe suwela Jerusalem apulo agide I ota tati khola sopa asonoko do akho hawo no ki khole lo no leta no kuta ra pakro patu pata leta te phai no we ne sota we do Mephibosheth awethe khiya atagita klo ne lo no pakro patu pata le pata mo pu no mo ya sui ki tu do sui po ko ga de le pata mo pu ne ke God bless you and God bless you all every